Hey guys, my name is Rudy, and I just want to give a kind of follow on. I've had quite a few people that want to ask me about Ozempic, and my version, the one I take, is called Wegovy here. This video, it will involve me giving myself the shot, so if you're not up to that, please turn off the video. I also want to let you know that I'm not a doctor. I'm only a client of this medication, and I'm following the instructions as given per my doctor. So, week 4. This will be the 4th injection here. I'm still on the green one here, which means I'm not completely to the full dosage. I have to say that I've had good luck with this. When I first started, I was 256. Now I'm down to 247 pounds. Side effects, there are some, but it depends on the person, and I can only tell you what I have. So I can tell you this. I've been cutting down my meals a little bit, doing smaller portions, and you guys will probably laugh at this, but I went to Carl's Jr. and I grabbed just a standard number 1 regular size, and I was unable to finish the sandwich. So it fills you up. The only thing that I don't like is it gives you a feeling like kind of like an after Thanksgiving dinner. I overstuff myself no matter what you do, and that's something you got to be mindful of. So you keep a lookout for that. I have noticed a little bit of an energy drop sometimes too. But the weight's coming off. Also, I want to let you know that this is not a magic pill, and I didn't expect it to be. So even before this, I started to go to the gym. I go to the gym about 3 times a week. I do variations of cardio as well as weightlifting, because I've been told that this medication does like to consume muscle mass. So I joke about this, and I say that it's kind of like if I told you I'm going to fill up your car, and I'll give you the option of unleaded or super. You're going to pick super, which in this case would be the muscle, and the unleaded would be the fat. It's easier to burn muscle than fat. Anyway, like I said, not a doctor, but I'm going to go through how the shot works. I'm going to talk about the injection. I had a little bit of an issue on understanding how this works. There are 2 types of injectors. There's the one-time use that I have, and then there's the multi-use ones where there's a knob on the corner there, and you adjust the volume what you got. I like these one-time shots. The good thing about it is there's absolutely no needle. You don't ever see the needle. You do feel it. It's not that bad. So what I've been doing is I've been picking sides. Like last week I did my left side, and this week I'm doing the right side. I'm going to go over the whole thing here. I'm going to switch camera to show you the device. So this is Wegovy. It's a off-spin of Ozempic. It's an auto-injector. I think closest thing to my military friends, it would be something like the chemical agent pen that you get. So the liquid in here is clear. This thing has to be refrigerated, so I keep it in my refrigerator. What it is there's a top piece here. This little cap comes right off, and they tell you it's got a little thing on the end here. Make sure I don't prick myself here. And what you're looking for is this window. I'm going to do a better job this week to kind of show you how this worked a little better, but what you're looking for is this window here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift my shirt here. What you have to do is you apply pressure, and you will see the window here. It'll come down. As it's coming down, you'll see a yellow filler here. I forgot to put my do not disturb, so I may get a phone call while I'm doing this. Anyway, what I do is I pick my side here. Let me flip the camera so I can find a good way to do this. So let's see here. So I'm going to pick a spot here. I'm just going to turn this camera upside down here and see if I can get this to work right for us. So picking a side. So my belly button is right here. I'll pick a side here, and about here I'll apply a little bit of pressure. See the little bar going down, the yellow thing coming up here. Here, 2 clicks is what we're looking for. And I go 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000, 6 1000, 7 1000, 8 1000, 9 1000, 10. That's more than it's even needed. And then when I release the pressure, the thing goes back up. It's actually really safe. Apologize for the ringing. Never seen the needle, and you can't reactivate this thing. It's got a spring in there. It's actually pretty cool. Now I can go ahead and put the cap back on and dispose of this in the regular trash can because it's considered safe. Anyway, guys, if you have any questions on my journey to Ozempic, or in my case, Wegovy, let me know. And until next time, take care, guys.